So, traders, on today's video, as you saw the thumbnail, this will be a midweek trading update based on the three trading pairs that we always work on, which is NASDAQ, Gold, and USDCAD. And the first pair that we're going to start with will forever be the NAS. But before we start with the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and so far most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. So, as like I've said, the first page that we're going to be working on is NASDAQ. And as you guys can clearly see on NASDAQ, based on our weekly trading insight from the 10th of November up and until the 14th of November, you can clearly see that based on the anticipation that we had, that we're either looking for a fail to break above our resistance to be bearish or a break above to be bullish. And as you can clearly see, price has been continuing bullish. So with that being said, as I have to update you guys, those will be based on us having to understand that price has a possible double top. And with a possible double top, all we're going to be focusing on within this trading week, within the few days left to end the week, is very simple. If price will give us a break above this double top, then we're going to look for those moves to the upside. But if price gives us a fail to break, then I guess we're going to have a clean triple top. And that's when we're going to look for those moves to the downside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on NASDAQ. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And on gold, you can clearly, guys, understand that gold prices highs and prices lows. And based on our anticipation of our weekly trading outlook, we did lay out that we're either looking for a break above our lows to look for new possible lows, or a fail to break to look for that move to the upside. And as you can clearly see, price gave us a break above of those intraday highs, right? So looking at this 4-hour key level, that's when we're going to look to put our money to work from within gold. So on gold, based on the key level, if price will give us a break above this key level, then I guess we're going to look forward for those moves to the upside. But if price gives us a fail to break, then I guess we might look forward for those moves to the downside based on price failing to break above our key level. But if price gives us a break above, then I guess we're going to look for those moves to the upside. But if fail to break, look for those moves to the downside. And that's all we're going to be focusing on within gold for the few days to end the week. Last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD, guys, I think I won't share any update or just update you guys on what the market might look to do, because on our weekly trading outlook, we did give an anticipation that price is highs and price is lows. And based on highs and lows, price is holding within our highs and within our lows. And with that being said, all we're going to be waiting for is to see price giving us a break below lows to look for new lows, or a fail to break to look for the move to the upside, or break above our highs to look for new highs, or a fail to break to look for that reversal to the downside. And that's all we're going to be focusing on USDCAD. And that's all we might look to put our money to work on. But if price don't trade either on our highs nor our lows, then I guess we're going to put our money to work. But if price does trigger our POI, then that's when we might look to put our money to work. And that's all we're going to keep it the way we keep it on USDCAD. But not only USDCAD, within the three trading pairs that we always work on. And like I said, if you've gained any knowledge and if you've gained what you needed from this video, all I ask of you is to share the video to someone else, like on the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, so many merchants and many traders can get this knowledge that you've just received. So the trading can be better, trading can be good, and trading can be made simple with COT Academy. But without further ado, this is your boy Halem, King COT, and I hope I catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.